Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Siri learning from your private notes on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and tap on notes. Once you are here, you want to go on the first option, so the Siri and search, and then just make sure that this button is turned to be gray. So now it means that the Siri is not going to learn from the notes. So if you turn this feature on, the Siri is going to learn from the notes, but what it means that it is going to scan all your private notes and learn from them as the AI. So if you don't want to make Siri to stop, if you want to stop Siri learning from your private notes, just go and make sure that this button is turned to gray, so it means that it is off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.